I always joke that, I went to school for engineering thinking I would come out and be able to apply my knowledge or expertise to solving some big challenges. But instead, you're hit with the realities of life. You come out of school with a massive student debt, and you end up designing lawnmower blades to pay your bills. But what we found here is that we give a sandbox for people to play in. So the challenge with the rFlight project is to create a compact, efficient, and safe flying vehicle to allow anybody to be able to use the craft, so you don't need to be an experimental pilot in order to operate the vehicle. I'm a motorcycle rider myself. I would love to be able to ride this. It's the same kind of thing, that experience of being exposed to the environment. My name is Brent. I'm a project manager and co-founder of the rFlight project.